Hi there, my name's Joey, and today we're going to be doing a breathwork technique called box breathing. So box breathing is a really good way to either bring your energy levels a little bit more up if you're feeling a little bit lethargic, or also a great way to bring your energy levels down if you're feeling anxious or stressed or worried about anything. So box breathing consists of an equal inhale, hold, exhale, and then hold. So if you think about it, you're just drawing a square with your breath. And so we're going to do about 5 minutes of box breathing here. But let's just go ahead and start. Find a nice, comfortable position. So you can either be seated up tall or lying down on your back, maybe with your head supported by a pillow or a blanket. And then take a deep breath into your belly, so filling all the way up to the top. Take a little pause, and then open your mouth and sigh it out. And let your shoulders relax. And then take another deep breath into the belly, fill all the way up. A little pause, and sigh it out. Let your eyebrows, your forehead relax. And take another deep breath in here. A little pause, and then let that go. Just let your whole body get a little bit heavier. And then maybe placing a hand on your belly, starting to breathe in and out naturally. Just noticing your belly rising and falling as you breathe in and out. Notice that sense of expansion as you breathe in, a sense of release or letting go as you breathe out. And then wherever you are in your breath cycle, go ahead and empty out all of the air from your lungs. And we'll start to breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. And hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. In. 2, 1. Hold. 2, 1. Out. 2, 1. Hold. 2, 1. In. 2, 1. Hold. 2, 1. Out. 2, 1. Hold. 2, 1. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. So keep going just like this, breathing in for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, breathing out for 4 seconds, holding at the bottom for 4 seconds, breathing in completely on the inhale, exhaling completely on the exhale. Filling up as you breathe in, and then emptying out completely as you breathe out. And if the counts start to get to be a little bit too much, if you need to pull back, feel free to go for a count of 3. Or maybe you have a little bit more and you'd like to go for a count of 5. Just make sure that your inhales, your holds, your exhales, and your holds are all even. And as you reach those holds, see if you can start to release a little bit more tension in your body. It's only 4 seconds, but eventually you start to realize that that's a lot more time. It's a lot more space that you can explore. And so give yourself the opportunity to explore different parts of the body, to release different areas of tension. So maybe it's the shoulders, maybe it's the brow, maybe it's the abdomen. Just start to scan through on those pauses, noticing where it is that you can let go just a little bit more. And give yourself one more full round here. And as you finish this last breath hold, just allow your breathing to resume its natural rhythm. And take note of how you're feeling now. So maybe you feel a little bit calmer, a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more refreshed, or maybe even with a little bit more clarity in your mind. Just notice how you're feeling. Take a moment to thank yourself for spending this time breathing with yourself today. And as you're ready, start to flutter open your eyes. And wiggling fingers and toes, inviting small movements back into your body. You can start to make your way back into your day. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you next time.